of glass and blinding light, where steel and silence share the fight. A surgeon stands with purpose drawn to mend the face, to greet the dawn. A jaw once shattered by the world now waits beneath the drape unfurled. Through nerves and vessels dark and deep, the oath he swore he now must keep. Oh, be still and let me shape, from fractured past to perfect gait. Titanium wings, sutures tight, we cast the face back into light. We are the fire, we are the steel, we bear the blade, we stitch, we heal. No greater force than pain endured, in blood and bone the face is cured. Through zygomas crushed and shattered sin, we place the graft, we dive within. From palate split to orbit gone, we craft the bridge to carry on. It's not just cuts, it's sacred art. Our balance dance from part to part. We thread the soul beneath the skin and pull the strength from deep within. And when the night forgets my name, let faces healed recall my flame. In every laugh and every bite, I'll live in symmetry and light. Oh, fractured world, we will restore, from trauma's gate to healing's door. The blade is clean, the breath is sure, the bone reforged, the soul made pure. From trauma's gate to healing's door.